Hey again guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make my super easy, super delicious 5-ingredient cracked potatoes. So stay tuned. So this recipe only takes 5 ingredients: shredded hash browns, shredded cheese, real bacon pieces, sour cream, and a packet of ranch. You will set your oven to 400 degrees, and excuse all the steam, my mom was cooking pasta. So you start with your sour cream, and you're gonna put just about all of it. The recipe calls for a whole tub, but I put about 3/4. Then you're gonna take your shredded cheese. If I could ever get it open. Okay, there we go. Okay. You need 2 cups of shredded cheese. Let me rephrase that. You need at least 2 cups of shredded cheese. Then we take our bacon bits. The recipe had a set amount of cups, but I recommend you let your heart be your measuring cup for the bacon. And then you're going to empty your ranch packet. It doesn't matter what brand it is. It could be the Hidden Valley, the Great Value, whichever one you can find. You add it in and then you begin to stir. Once you're done stirring, you add in your shredded potatoes. I like to do mine a little bit at a time, but it might be beneficial to just go ahead and pour the whole bag in as well. Okay, once you have that all stirred together, you want a 9 by 13 inch pan. Coat it with coating spray or coconut oil or butter or whatever you like the best. Then you're going to pour in your cracked potato mix. And then I just like to mash it in there kind of all together so that it's more compact and that it sticks to itself. Alright, your oven should be done preheating by now, so go ahead and put it in on the middle rack and bake for 45 minutes. And there you have it. Well, almost. I like to do an extra step where I add extra cheese on top, and then I will put it back into the oven, but on broil, so that the cheese melts on top. It's already really, really hot in your oven, so you only need to do this for about a minute. Super easy, 5-ingredient cracked potatoes. Take this to any party, use it as an appetizer if you're hosting, or even tailgating. It's great for sports, it's great for family, whatever you need it for.